Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to subscribe to Discovery Plus through Amazon Prime. If you're a fan of documentaries, reality TV, or nature shows, this subscription is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have an Amazon Prime account and are logged in. Then, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Once you're on the homepage, search for Discovery Plus subscription in the search bar. Click on the relevant option when it pops up in the search results. Next, you'll need to select the subscription plan that suits your preferences. Amazon Prime offers different subscription options for Discovery Plus, so choose the one that works best for you, whether it's monthly or annually. Once you've made your decision, click on the subscribe or buy button. After that, you'll have to confirm your subscription by entering your payment details. Amazon Prime will walk you through the process step by step, so just follow the on-screen instructions. Once your payment has been processed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation email from Amazon Prime. Now, you're all set. You can start streaming all your favorite Discovery Plus shows and documentaries right away. Just open the Amazon Prime Video app on your smart TV, computer, or mobile device and start exploring the wide range of content available on Discovery Plus. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.